got some Camry lights in. So hadn't done a Toyota in a while, but I already got this one popped open. About to pop this one open. We got these Colorshift rings, and this is gonna be. It's got a remote. I don't have it with me right now, but yeah, it's got a remote, and it is. I believe this is Bluetooth. So controlled by your phone, controlled by the remote. Got all of that, but yeah, about to heat this up, pop it open, and get started. For these open, now it's time to set these rings in, drill some holes for them to come through the back, and time to reset them. So we are almost done here. So this is controlled by this app called Happy Lighting. So pretty cool app. I put some screenshots up of what it looks like. The only downside, which is, you know, something you just got to deal with from time to time, the halos and the control box are from two separate people. So the colors don't match. So when you press red on the app, you get red. You press green on the app, you get blue. You press blue on the app, you get green. So it's a whole bunch of different RGBs out there. So sometimes they put the wire in a different order. So I'll have to switch the blue and green wires on here. That way it'll match what the control box is kicking out. So that's the only thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and test these wires out real quick, figure out which color, well, which wire does what color, and yeah, I go ahead, cut those, splice them, switch them around or whatever, and these will be ready to install. All right, so I had to switch to the GoPro for this so you can see, but I got the colors to match up right. So we on teal, red is red, green is green, and blue is blue now. So everything's good for that. White is white, of course. So these are ready to go. It's got all these settings so you can change. Well, the lights will change with the music. So this is gonna be quiet for y'all because of copyright stuff, but yeah, anyway, changes color with the music. This is how you pick all the different settings. And you speed it up, slow it down. So all of this, but and it's just powered by this right now, so it's not gonna be as good as it'll be on a full 12-volt battery, but this is all your options. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to recording with my phone. So yeah, Camry halos, that's upside down, but yeah, driver's side. So Camry halos done, and ready for the final install in the car, which got to call the customer, let them know they're ready so he can come by and I can go ahead and slap these in and be done for the day.